Are you ready to unlock the power of Python and embark on an incredible coding journey? Welcome to Utech's Python course for beginners, where the magic of programming comes to life. What project they will be able to make. In just a few weeks, you'll become a coding wizard and build amazing projects that will leave your friends and family in awe. Imagine creating your very own email password verification system, safeguarding online security like a pro. But wait, there's more! You'll delve into the world of artificial intelligence with our verifier chatbot and personalized ChatGPT. Talking to your very own AI creations will blow your mind. Get ready to challenge yourself with our thrilling guessing challenge and master the art of logic and problem solving. Plus, who doesn't love the classic snake game? You'll create it yourself, and it's going to be epic. Feeling ambitious? Our advanced calculator will handle complex calculations with ease, making you a math whiz in no time. And finally, we'll explore the world of spirituality with our prayer time clock, a heartfelt project that keeps you connected to your beliefs. Join us on this exciting adventure of learning, creativity, and fun. Enroll in our Python course for beginners today and unlock a world of endless possibilities.